Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add music to a Facebook profile. So once you are on your profile, you need to click on Edit Profile. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit, and then we're going to look in this About section. So if you want to add your latest favorite music to your Facebook profile, you're going to click on Interests, and then at the top you should see Music. So from there, you've got a search bar. It will show you a lot of trending stuff, but you can just type in whatever you're looking for and you can add it to your profile. So say for me it's Dreams Fleetwood Mac. So all I need to do now, you can see it here, is click Save, and that will now be shown on my Facebook profile. So if I go back to my profile, scroll down, and you can see that music has been added to my Facebook profile. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.